Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about this amazing device, the POCO F5. So before giving you my thoughts, let's take a quick look at the unboxing video of this device. So POCO F5 is the fifth iteration of the POCO F series lineup. F series smartphones have always been called as the flagship killers. And this phone is without doubt one of the best releases so far in 2023. Let's take a deep dive and know why it is called the best release so far. This phone is a total beast when it comes to the performance aspects. It is powered by the new Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2, which is a 4nm chipset. For starters, the less the size of the chipset, the more is the power. It is a 4nm chipset, which means the computation prowess of this chipset is totally off the charts. As you can see, everything on this device runs smoothly and poses no problem at all. On top of this amazing and powerful chipset, POCO has given option to choose 8GB or 12GB RAM under its hood, combining with the most amazing and super speed UFS 3.1 storage. Together, these three features has made this smartphone a flagship grade performer. Speaking about the display, POCO F5 features a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. Apart from the performance aspect, I think this smartphone has one of the most beautiful display in this price segment. I think the display complements the performance aspects of this smartphone really well. And overall, if we talk about the performance aspects of this smartphone has everything you need. Better chipset, responsive display, better RAM and storage unit, and many more. Considering the price point where it is placed, like 26 to 30K, I think this smartphone is a no-brainer deal for those who appreciate performance over aesthetics. Speaking of the aesthetics, this smartphone is neither a head turner nor a jaw dropper. However, this smartphone has got more of a functional design. You can use this as a daily driver without a single doubt. It features both plastic and aluminum finish with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. I have been using this device for a couple of weeks now. I even managed to drop it on my workplace by accident one time. And the phone hasn't saw a single crack, neither a dent. It's that good. Yes, the design is nothing new, but I think it's the most practical design I saw at this price point. Now let's talk about the camera aspects of this smartphone. This smartphone has a triple camera setup on its back with a 64 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro sensor. And on the front, you can see a 16 megapixel sensor housed inside the punch hole. The camera setup of the F5 allows users to capture stunning photos with great details and clarity. I tried out this camera in various lighting conditions and the phone aced every test with flying colors during the morning. I said it because the camera did wonders when enough light was passed through the sensor. In the morning setting, the camera setup was able to capture stunning details and colors, producing sharp and vivid images that were delighted to look at. However, the camera struggled a bit in low light conditions, resulting in slightly grain or blurry photos. I did miss the bokeh portrait mode as many phones in this price segment offer this feature. The front camera is also capable of taking high quality selfies and video calls. Overall, the camera on this smartphone is decent for everyday use, but it may not be the best option for those who prioritize photography. Nevertheless, it still offers a good value for its price range. And when it comes to video recording, this phone's camera can capture up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. Additionally, it has built-in stabilization technology to ensure smooth footage even when moving, which is impressive for mid-range smartphone. For many, camera is one of the deciding factor while choosing a smartphone, and this is where POCO F5 didn't pass with flying colors. However, considering the price point it is offered, POCO did a great job giving us a decent camera. Overall, the phone is a great option for those who want a reliable device with decent camera capabilities without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of the smartphone, the battery and charging speeds. Apart from having the beautiful display, amazing processor, this phone has got a good battery and amazing charging capabilities. This phone features a 5000 mAh battery with a 67 watts turbocharging facility. You can find the turbocharging brick inside the smartphone itself. It took an astonishing 40 minutes for me to fill up the juice required to last a full day for me, with moderate to heavy usage like playing games, etc. So overall, POCO F5 is a reliable and convenient smartphone that you can count on to last throughout the day. Speaking of playing games, POCO F5 is a mini gaming deck. The processor on it has already made a huge buzz by beating the 8th gen chipsets to dust. You can expect a killer gaming performance from this smartphone. Even the gaming mode present in the smartphone is no joke and will let you optimize smartphone for uninterrupted gaming. Even the OS in it is optimized in such a way that everything runs buttery smooth. Speaking of the OS, POCO F5 comes with MIUI 14 out of the box, and POCO has promised 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security updates. In other words, POCO F5 will let you go up to MIUI 16. So overall, POCO F5 is an excellent mid-range smartphone that offers great value for money. Its powerful processor, high refresh rate display, and larger battery makes it an attractive option for users who prioritize performance and battery life. If you are looking for a smartphone under budget that is capable of running as your daily driver, then look no further. POCO F5 is totally for you. So that's it for now, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech videos like these. Peace.